Peppermint Productions presents Pedigrees!
Here is a really awesome picture for you. You might think that your 5-year-old brother drew a bunch of shapes, but this is actually a groundbreaking scientific chart. This is a pedigree. Like a family tree, pedigrees can track generations, but this type of family tree is a gene-tracking tree. Pedigrees are used to track recessive alleles through generations of the family, also known as inherited traits. The traits that pedigrees track are 1. Recessive, meaning when any dominant allele is present, this trait hides away. The only way to have a recessive trait is if your genotype, or genetic makeup, consists of 2 lowercase letters or 2 recessive alleles. 2. These traits are autosomal. This means that they are not sex-related. Going back to the picture with shapes, they aren't just random. Each shape and line means something. In this pedigree, well, let's say this is OM NOM and this is BLUE, and these are their parents. In a pedigree, circles represent females and squares represent males. To remember this, just think about the pictures on public bathroom signs. The man's body is shaped a bit like a square, while the woman has a round skirt. When these shapes are completely shaded, they contain the recessive trait that you are tracking. If they are completely unshaded, they do not. Each generation is counted by Roman numerals on the
Left
right side. So, how many generations would this pedigree track? 2! This line connecting the mom and dad in the first generation is called the line of marriage, meaning they had kids. Now, the mom in this couple, since she has been shaded, has the recessive trait of, say, blue eyes. She has 2
gender-neutral children
who also have blue eyes. All of them will have the genetic makeup lowercase b, since there are no dominant alleles present. Now, how can we find the dad's genotype? Well, we can use the Punnett square. We know that the mom has lowercase b, or the recessive trait, and 2 of their kids also have this trait. If we use a 2x2 Punnett square to try out both possible allele combinations for the dad, we will see that it is only possible for him to have the capital B lowercase b. See?
Blue, roll the credits.
Absolutely not.
Oh.